What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Danai, and I can't even fake this. Imagine if I started my videos like this. Okay, this video is pretty chaotic because I did not plan it well and it shows. Let's start. The plan of the house goes like this. There's the living space, a small kitchen, and a bathroom. Let's start with the bathroom. The bathroom used to look like this. And we didn't want to change the tile, of course, because who has the money for that? So we decided on changing the furniture. And to be really honest, I don't mind the tile, I kind of like it, so I'm not mad at it. We're good. Next up, the kitchen. The kitchen used to look like this, and it was wrong for so many reasons. No place to cook, these little kitchen plates did not work properly, and there's no stove. Plus, the cabinets were super low, and there's a ton of space up top that is unused. So what we did was put the shelves higher up and then hang a rod underneath to hang like kitchen utensils or a drying rack for our plates and our cutlery. And as for the kitchen slash sink slash fridge, we got rid of it. Bye-bye. And thank God it was Black Friday week and we found a good deal for a stove. Next, we moved the washing machine from the corner to the middle, and boy, we had some issues with the kitchen counter. So the thing is, the space is really small. So you need to have the exact measurements. The whole thing was, I think, 164 centimeters long, and then the stove had to be exactly 52 centimeters, and then the sink had to be exactly 50 centimeters, so that we can put the washing machine in the middle, and then it has room to move when you wash your stuff. So it was quite tricky. Also, we put a little Klapptisch, as the Austrians say, or like a foldable table in the corner to make some extra counter space for when we're cooking. And now we're going to the living space. Had a Kallax bookcase to separate the room a bit, and we took the idea of separating the space a little bit to the extreme. His older sister, hi Valerie, had a an IKEA Pax wardrobe that she didn't need anymore. So we took that and we put it right next to the door to create this hallway situation, and put mirrors in front of the doors to make it lighter and more roomy, create the illusion of space. But it obviously did not work because the room got very dark. The Pax is a tall, bulky item that cuts most of the sunlight from the rest of the room. So we changed the plan and put the wardrobes back to back, the bed next to the window, the couch to the wall, to the window, to the wall. Yes, it didn't work. Why? Because it felt super cluttered and everything was on the way. Ugh, it wasn't nice. So we changed it again, and we went to solution number 3, and it also worked out, obviously. We put the Pax on the wall. Yay! The obvious solution from the top, and we didn't think about it. And if you're wondering, what about the fridge? It found the perfect place next to the Pax, right there. So, are you ready for the big reveal?
The warning flags were falling hard. Maybe it's not written in the stars, or is it ours to take what's ours for?
And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. Also, check out my second channel where I upload covers. Bye.